Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to film for you a very summery, bronzy, glowy, highlighted makeup tutorial. So if you want to see how I got the look, then keep on watching. And don't forget, if you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel to see more of me. Bye guys. Hey guys, so I started with exfoliating my entire body using Frank Body Shimmer Scrub. This stuff is amazing. It left my skin super smooth and glowy. I have very fair skin, so I always like to go in with my Sally Hansen's airbrush legs in the shade Light, and I'll apply this anywhere where there's skin showing. Oh my god, have you ever wanted that J-Lo glow? Well, Kopari has got you covered. This is their coconut body glow, and I am sickly obsessed with how this makes my skin look. For primer, I'm using Becca's Backlight priming filter, and I'll apply that all over my skin just using my fingers, and this gives a lot of luminosity to the skin. To nourish and hydrate my lips, I went in with Mecca Cosmetica's lip balm. For foundation, I'm using L'Oreal's Infallible Pro Glow, and I'm using the shade 205 Natural Beige, and I'm applying that with a Ciccone beauty blender. What I love about this foundation, it's very lightweight, makes my skin look very healthy with a nice glow, and it has a gorgeous radiant finish. To conceal my under eyes and also highlight, I'm using Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Light Pale. To contour my face, I'm using NYX Wonder Stick in the shade Universal. To blend out that contour, I'm using a Morphe M523 brush. And then I like to go over the contour again with the beauty blender to make sure there's no harsh lines and everything's blended in beautifully. To set my under eyes and where I've concealed, I'm using the RCMA No Color Powder, and I'm applying that with a Morphe M438 brush. To set my face, I'm using Australis Fresh and Flawless in the shade Darkest Brown, and I'm applying that with a Sigma Large Powder Brush. For brows, I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Powder Duo, and I'm in the shade Medium Brown, and I'm applying that with a Morphe E29 brush. To set my brows, I'm using Essence Lash and Brow Gel. For bronzer, I'm using the Benefit Hoola bronzer, and I'm starting with just lightly contouring the side of my nose, and I'm using a Sigma angled fluffy brush. Now with the MAC 224 brush, I'm also applying the bronzer in the crease of my eye to give my eye some extra definition. And then also applying the bronzer to my lower lash line using a Morphe E36 brush. For highlighter, I'm using Becca's Shimmering Skin Perfector in the shade Champagne Pop. And with a Napoleon tapered eyeshadow brush, I'm applying that shade directly to the lid. Now I'm highlighting my brow bone and inner eye corner using a Morphe M507 brush. For eyeliner, I'm using Maybelline Color Show Crayon in the shade Kohl, and I'm just lightly lining my lash line. Now I'm just curling my lashes before applying mascara. And for mascara, I'm using Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. For lashes, I'm using Ardell 120 Demi and then applying a coat of mascara to my bottom lashes. For highlighter that is going to blind people and give you that extra glow, I'm using the Cover FX Custom Enhancer Drops in the shade Moonlight. For some more glow, I am going over the top with Champagne Pop. For blush, I'm using Milani Cosmetics Luminoso and I'm using a Sephora blush brush. For lipstick, I'm using Ciccone Cosmetics Oceanus. To set my face, I'm using Caudalìe's Beauty Elixir. Now, if you want to smell like a summer dream, I suggest trying the Estee Lauder Bronzed Goddess. See you in my next video, guys. Bye.